Hello, good morning, good day, happy Sunday to everyone. Now, same as usual, let's start already for my new day cleaning for the school, preparing for the school. This is now, it's Sunday. Okay, happy Sunday to everyone. Happy Sunday nationwide and worldwide. Me is already for 4:35 a.m. here in London. So I start already. So we start in the kitchen. Okay. Same as usual. I'm preparing mold. Start. This one para it's clean. Ano mo crowded ba? Kasi sir, last night, he come already, so we eat dinner, madam, she eat dinner. That is the morning, same as usual nga. That is the morning routine of my life. As a worker, as a housemaid, as a nanny, care of children. Okay. So this one is here. The sabon, kalisa sabon. I clean this one. Ay, ikaw. Clean pa. Makubaho. No more bad smell. Here inside. That's what I do. Yun lang ang life. Thankful. Thank you very much, Lord, for another day. Thank you, Lord, for more blessings that we had, all of us. So this one, same as usual. Finger, I prepare. There is no changes. I don't know, some people in other countries and in the different countries also. At least still will be okay. Different situation of different kadama or housemaid. The house. I make this one para ano ba yun? Ano yung funnel. Same as usual. Ganun lang talaga ang life. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. For our another day. I-mix ko na lang. Lagyan ko ng ano para hindi siya masyadong amoy na lang. Kasi hindi naman overwork. Overuse. hindi siya masyadong mabaho. Hindi naman na siya mabaho. The smell ba of the pride ba? What I mean. Painit. Init na, init. Init na. Maigi na. Ito naman din yung ang hinahanda ko na. Yung cheese. Ito. Para sa malambot pa naman. Cupcake. Kasi yung binili ko mga ito. Si Sir makapunta ng supermarket or si Madam para makabili ng cupcake. Ito, try ko orange. Naiinom siya. Meron naman carrots. Biglasad na. Yan din yung salmon ko. Mamaya kain. Kain ako kasi nagutom ako dahil yung dinner sa lasin. With sisi pala. So now I make my shy. Mag-shy ako. Hello, good morning. How are you to everyone? Welcome to another day. For another Sunday. It's time for cooking na. At pa. Yung oras na. Okay, sakot na tayo. So I say bye-bye na because I'm cooking already. Okay. Just leave na lang alone ito. Hindi naman siya, mamaya, i-ano na natin. Para hindi agad sunog. To all housemates in the house, in the different country. Not all, I think not all using like this one. Some of them that there is also mga Pilipina, they are cooking. If their work on law is for a cook. So like this one, they wake up very early to prepare everything, especially if there is school. We have school, so that's why they need to wake up talaga to prepare everything, breakfast, and Madam and Sir, they have work also. So everybody is working and going to school, the children. So like this one. I make on this way, not too much, kasi for sisi only. Hindi naman she cannot eat all. Eat only 3, 4, 5, enough. But the nuggets, she eat all the nuggets. There go. Rice, sometimes she eat there also, sometimes no, maybe because she is full, but I make it sure that if she come at home, I let them to eat. when they change their uniform. So I prefer rice with laban. Always rice with laban. Always supposed to be we have always a yogurt, laban naman yogurt. Always yogurt. Always yogurt. We have always yogurt para pag nag-cook, pag dating ni Sisi, pag she want rice to eat, she can eat quickly. Okay? So, malapit na yung mag-boil yung ano ko. So, if I finish this one, I make na naman my the snacks and some salad, or not salad, but individual carrots, individual cucumber, and cheese. Ano kasi kung sana makahanap ako pag makapunta ako ng soup. Yung tanjira ba na pwedeng may screen para ano sa finger. Pag nagluto ng finger na quickly. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you and bye. God bless us all. Happy Sunday to everyone. To all this world and worldwide. Shout out. Thank you to support that you are kindly and patient to watch my video in my social media, in the YouTube channel, the YouTube company. So thank you again, thank you. And I wish you support also to my mga videos. I wish that you support me, you subscribe me. I wish. Thank you for the support, and I wish again and again. Don't feel that I'm okay. Oh no, OA. Don't feel me at OA. I'm just repeating to say to you to be thankful. Thank you. Being thankful of everything. Thank you. To the whole Philippines, to the whole families in the Philippines, to the whole people in the Philippines, and the different countries also. To my families in the Philippines. Thank you again. Bye.